Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this topic we are going to study about subaerial modification of stem. In the previous video we already completed underground modifications of stem. Okay, let us start with the first modification, that is the runner. Here the example for runner is the oxalis and cynodon. And cynodon it is commonly called as doob grass. Consider it is the soil surface. Consider it is the soil surface, and it is the stem. Subaerial means the stem is some part of the stem become underground and some part of the stem become aerial. Okay, and the aerial stem give rise to the aerial part of the plant like branches, and the underground part of the stem give rise to the roots. And here what happens, here one of the branch of the plant grows on the surface of the soil and give rise to another plant, like take it is the oxalis plant, and one of its branches grows on the surface, and when it comes in contact with the suitable fertile soil to grow, then it give rise to another oxalis plant, and this process continues like this. See, it is the one of the plant and one of its branches grows on the surface of the soil, and it when it comes to the particular perfect soil for its growth, then it give rise to another plant. Okay, and the runner grows only in one direction. If it starts to grow in this direction, it grows in only this direction. If it starts to grow in this direction, and then it grows only this direction. Okay, and the second modification is the sucker. The example is chrysanthemum and mint. Here there are two types of mint can be known here, but we are discussing or giving example for sucker is the Metharanesis. Okay, and common examples are pineapple and bamboo, and we can give the banana plant is also example for sucker. Here consider it is the soil surface. Here it is the plant, and here what happens, one of its branch grows under the surface of the soil like this. Here the red mark indicates one of its branches and they are growing in this way. Here in runner the branch grows on the surface of the soil and give rise to another plant. Here in this sucker, one of its branches grows under the soil and give rise to another plant. And third one is the stolon. The example for this is the colocasia and strawberry. Here also it is little bit similar to runner, but there is some difference. Here also the same, consider this is the plant. It also give rise to one of its branches above the soil, but here in runner what happens, one of its branches grows on the surface of the soil, but here in this the branch grows in this way. There is a little bit difference between the soil surface and the one of its branch of the plant. And the last one we are going to discuss about the subaerial modification is the offset. Here what happens, runner, sucker, stolon, they are seen in the terrestrial plants, but offset is exception for this. We can see it in the aquatic plants. Here the example is the pistia and the eichhornia. Here the branches of the plant become swollen due to the parenchyma. Parenchyma is present in its branches, which gives buoyancy to the plant to float in the water surface. So here these branches give rise to another branch, and that another branch, and it give rise to another plant, and this process continues. Here one more thing is, in runner we already discussed that it grows only in one direction, but in offset what happens, it grows at a time in both directions. It grows on this direction also, on this direction also. Okay, once again, there are 4 types of subaerial modifications: runner, sucker, stolen and offset. The examples are very important and the concept is also very important. I will draw a rough diagram here, but when you are writing or exams or in something, we can go through a particular diagram. Okay, for your convenient, for understanding, I will draw a rough diagram here.